There isn't just one kind of poor sleep. In fact, over 90% of poor sleep falls into 6 specific types. Some people don't sleep long enough, some sleep long but never deep, some never dream, some wake up again and again, some lie there with a mind that won't stop. And some just never find a rhythm. 6 types of poor sleep, and for each one, a different answer. So the real question isn't, why is my sleep bad? What you should wonder is, which of these 6 types is me? And this is what Somnolinc can do for you. While you rest, it monitors your brain, your body, and your bedroom. We call it the 3B tracking system. EEG reads your brain activity, a motion sensor captures your body's movements, a built-in sensor measures light intensities that might be disturbing you, and by connecting to your phone's microphone, it registers the sound levels in your room. Then, using all this combined data, your personal AI sleep coach takes over. After a few nights of recording, it verifies your sleep type, and it builds a plan specifically for you. Let's say your result shows you're a broken sleeper. That means you fall asleep just fine, but you wake up again and again. Now, your coach goes to work. It cross-checks your sensor data with the microphone data and notices a pattern. Every time you woke up last Tuesday at 2:14, 3:40, and 4:55, the sound in your bedroom spiked. Maybe it was the traffic outside, a snoring bed partner, a barking dog. So your coach suggests a small thing. Try earplugs for 1 week. That's it. It reminds you at bedtime and gently checks in with you in the morning. And after several nights, the Somnolinc AI coach measures your progress. Did you wake up less? Has your deep sleep returned? Do you feel different in the morning? If yes, you found your solution. If no, you and your coach simply try something else until your sleep finds its natural balance.